Ching, 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 go the money tree. Every time it ching, money flows to me. You've probably heard that affirmation on TikTok. Maybe it's not working for you. Well, I'm here to help you power up your affirmations and get them working for you so you can live your best, most positive, amazing life possible. Positive statements and affirmations are designed to encourage this kind of optimistic mindset. And that's a very powerful thing when we want to live our happiest life ever. When we're able to deal with the negative messages that we believe are true, such as, oh, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough food, nobody loves me, I don't have any friends. When we believe those negative messages, then it's more likely that that's what we'll see in the world around us. So what we need to do is change our thinking, change our mindset, and replace these negative thoughts with positive mindset. And that's what affirmations do for you, because your world does not distinguish from what you think to reality. At one point, this phone was a thought in someone's mind, and they focused on it enough and it became a reality. So I want things to become a reality for you. So what we're going to do is, first of all, find an acupuncture point, spleen 21. So underneath the armpit, little finger, press into that point between the 6th and 7th intercostal space. And you can just begin with this simple affirmation. Where I am is where I'm meant to be. When I relax, what I need flows to me. Let's do it the other side. Spleen 21, pressing into there. Where I am is where I'm meant to be. When I relax, everything I need flows to me. So see if you can really feel that. When I relax, everything I need flows to me. If we're feeling like we're grasping and we're doing it out of a kind of poor me, and you're not happy, then you can actually feel further away from the affirmation, and all you're doing is compounding the negative thoughts. So find an affirmation that you can start with. Where I am is where I'm meant to be. Start with that one. Use the points, feel really comfortable in your body, and then move it up to ching ching goes the money tree. Every time it ching, money flows to me. You feel that and feel abundant and live your best life possible. Any questions? I'll even post some scientific stuff in the comments.